Lydia. Yes, man.
You ever notice how STDs sound like female names? Gonorrhea. Chlamydia definitely sound like a female name. Herpes, syphilis. Whosoever name STDs did have a problem with women. Anyways, wear a condom. Only for people out there who don't want to have sex, who don't want to make love, who don't want to do all the nasties, but you don't want to wear a condom. I don't know why, but here are some reasons why you should wear a condom. AKA penis raincoat, AKA rubbers, AKA boots, AKA penis costume, AKA sperm catcher. You see, whilst vaginas and penises do come, they don't come with condoms. Ladies, if you don't have a condom, then don't give him a pum pum. Men, if she don't have a condom, no penis time. Wear a condom so that when you piss, it does not feel like a volcano is erupting from your genitals. Wear a condom so that when you piss, it doesn't feel like a dragon is breathing fire through your urethra. You don't want nobody to call it dragon dick, dragon pum pum. Females wear a condom also so that people don't have to call you pum pum, baby mag, or them call you baby grim reaper. Wear a condom so that your genitals no leak fluids and look like when somebody step on a caterpillar. Wear a condom so you don't hear the sound and you're not ready for it. Wear a condom so that your genitals don't look hilly and bumpy like the cockpit country. If you don't want to have that continuous crackhead itch around your genitals, then you probably should wear a condom, you know? If you don't want to have a permanent case of slumpy dick, aka flaccid willy, down a penis raincoat, wear a condom so you don't get a leading role in the new soap opera Who's Jacket. Not because it say herpes. Don't feel like say men can't catch it. Speaking from a male perspective, men, you have to understand that some of these girls' vaginas nowadays is kind of similar to catfishing. When you catfish, you push your hand in a hole hoping to get a catfish, but sometimes it's not always a catfish in there. You might book up on a snapping turtle. Some of these girls have snapping turtles inside their vaginas. It's a new STD, and if you put your penis inside there, it just falls straight out. So all you will have is just two balls, and your nickname probably become nuts, because that's all you have. All I'm trying to say is wear your penis raincoat, you know, so that when it gets wet, you can't give and she cannot get. If you're not ready for pregnancy, if you're not ready to deal with the stress and the problems of catching an STD that may or may not be treatable, wear a condom. And for the youngins, if you can, you know, abstain. Stay away from sex. Remember, say I drop videos from 2 channels on YouTube, so just check out the 2 channels. Them I always put them in the description of the videos. Check out the description. Subscribe to both channels. Must big up all the fans them where they fan day one, you know. Dump up your chest meat. Big up all the new fan them where you subscribe, and all the people them who like the Facebook page. You go over this, go like that. You see me, I have 17,000. That's a long way from 0. Big up all the people them where follow me on Twitter. See them where big up all the fans them when me buck up in high treats. Oh no, large. You see me? This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Some man will never be father. Some women will never be mother. For whatever the reason, God knows. Maybe we don't lack the skills to become parents. So yeah, me I say, wear condom.